Hey everyone, we're doing moringa today. No, it's not a dance. It's this. If you want to see how we made it, curry moringa with corn, keep watching. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Heidi here with you, and if you're new, please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So today, yes, we are currying moringa or Saijan or drumsticks as some people know it. In order to prepare it, we need to cut off the ends and scrape off the green skin as much as possible. Then cut up into about 2 to 3 inches in length. Each piece must be about 2 to 3 inches in length because this makes it a lot easier to eat when it's cooked. Clean and wash the moringa or Saijan. Grate the ginger finely and blend the other ingredients. Heat a pot with the oil and add in the grated ginger and stir. Next, pour in a little of the blended seasonings and stir for a minute. Keep the flame low to moderate. Add the curry powder and stir. Add a little water to create a sauce. Now add in the moringa and corn kernels and give it a good stir to coat it with the curry sauce. If you have coconut milk, you can add in a half cup. In this case, I did not, so I used plain water. Add salt to taste. Cover and cook until the moringa is tender. To test it, press a piece with the spoon until it mashes easily. Once it mashes, turn off the heat and serve on a bed of rice. So it's raining right now, and we finished making our curry moringa, or Saijan as we call it, and I added some ginger to it. It's really a different twist to how we're accustomed making it in Trinidad. Some people don't put ginger, some people, you know, have their own ways of making it, but this is how I make it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe so far. And I'm using these tools to eat. Yes, I'm going to use my fingers and just mix everything up. If you're from an Indian home, or maybe if you just like traditional Indian food, you're accustomed using your fingers. But with this, you have to, because I can't see myself eating it with a spoon or a fork as such, because just like you would eat crab, you need to hold on to it. And so we're going to eat some of this, the rice and corn. Ginger gives it a nice flavor. And the sweetness of the corn. Moringa. See, there isn't any, well, not any, but there isn't much to get out of it, but it's quite nutritious. restricting. The rain is pouring. Just wanted to mention that not many people are going to like the taste of moringa. My mom actually hates it. She didn't like today's menu at all, but she ate it because it had the corn and she kind of like left out the moringa from it. So not everybody's going to enjoy moringa. I just wanted to add that note. You can try it, try your own technique at making it, add whatever you want, but at the same time, I'm not promising that everybody's going to enjoy it. So I'm going to finish my corn and moringa or Saijan. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and feel free to share. See you later, guys.